Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Next very important thing that we need to learn it is how to create different kind of invoices, commercial invoices. You can create invoices and sell these invoices in the online marketplaces. For example, here are different kinds of invoices available. You can customize, click on customize this template and change the data according to your demand, according to your choice, and you can create an invoice of your own. Here you can see that this is one kind of invoice. Click here, change data, click here, change color, and click here, change logo, click here, change address. You can create a website of your you can create an invoice of your own. In the similar way, different kinds of invoices available. You can choose anyone according to your choice, according to your demand, and change its data and present this invoice to your client. Here are different kinds of invoices. Click on it, you can change logo, invoice name of the items, description, quantity, everything is changeable, and you can create this kind of invoices very easily. The second thing is proposal. Project proposal are different kind of proposal that we need to face in the market. For example, IT consulting proposals, digital branding promotion proposal, project proposal. For example, click on it, project proposal, customize this template, three or four pages proposal are available. You can change its color, its design, its name, about the company, project background, goals, objectives, everything is changeable. Its color, its pictures, its text, its icons are changeable. You can create a report, a proposal of your own, project proposal, business proposal, and many more. There are hundreds of proposals available that you can change according to your need. The second thing is reports. Different kinds of reports: annual report, monthly report, progress report, and daily report. Different kinds of reports are available. Click on here, one of the report, you can change it, customize this template, and you can see that this is a report. It is the front page of your report. You click on annual report. This is the first page, this is the second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page. In this way you can change the data according to your choice, according to your need. Click on it, select that data and change it. The similar way you can change that data according to your choice. So different kinds of reports are very easy to create according to your choice. You can see that business annual report, mid-quarter report, report to 2022, quarter report, monthly report, digital marketing annual report, and many more. This is very important feature in the Canva. You can use it to design your reports, and you can also sell these reports online to earn money. Thank you so much for watching this video.